What's going on, y'all? So I'm back again with a quick video today. I have been out all day long. This is how my makeup is looking right now. I'm just gonna take some RCMA no color powder on a little powder puff, just a teeny tiny bit of powder, and I'm just gonna kind of blot my face. And I'm not really sure, but I'm actually pretty sure this is like majority sweat. I don't know why I be so hot, y'all. Okay, so I just blotted my face and my face still look good. I don't hardly have on no more lipstick. I've been eating, laughing, talking, having a very good time today. I did not film this makeup look, but if you're interested, maybe I'll do another makeup look similar to this, probably with different colors. I will show you what all I used on my face today, and also what products I picked up while I was out. So I didn't film this look because I was in a rush this morning. I tried to do my hair last night, y'all, and it was looking a terrible hot mess. So this morning, let's just say, I got up and I just decided to do me a little quick bob. I kind of just threw this together and it turned out real cute, y'all. So the hair that I'm using was actually just hair that I had laying around. I'm wearing the Empire hair at the top of my hair. This brown hair, I don't know if you can tell, but some of this hair is actually like a natural brown color. This is some virgin hair that I picked up at one of my local beauty supplies, and it's my second time using this hair. I just kind of took it out and washed it. If I can find some pictures, I'll insert some pictures of how I had my hair when I wore this hair the first time. So I just cut it into a little bob. And then the palette I used for my eyes today was my Matte Bright palette from beautybay.com. And I just used the teeny tiniest bit of black. Y'all see, do you see this? I'm so upset about that. Like, I have not even, that is a really good black, y'all, but the shadow is so soft till I just done already dug a big giant crater in the bottom of it. So I'm really disappointed about that, but hopefully, just if you order this palette, use a very, very light hand. So the colors I used were this blue right here. That one is called Bobbing Along. Okay, and then we have Pacific Dreams. I used that one. Then I used Oasis and Sea Mist right here. Y'all trying to read upside down. Okay, so that's what I have on my eyes, and then in the center, I just mixed 3 of my pigments. 2 of them I don't know the name, but they are from ColourPop. And I also have one in my inner corner with a white, like iridescent color, and then my J. LaRue white gold pigment. That's what I have on my eyes. Just some glitters that I already had mixed up, and some rhinestones. On my lips, I had just like a regular brown lip liner. I just wanted to do like a matte nude lipstick today because I was gonna be eating, talking, having a good time, wearing a mask, all in between. So I didn't want to wear no gloss. I just put on Ruby Kisses Honey Bunny and a little bit of white concealer, and I put some translucent powder over the top of that to keep it dry, and it pretty much lasted. I got a little bit, you could tell I had something on my lips, but it's about gone, y'all. But yeah, that's how my makeup been looking all day long. And it's real cute. So let's just jump into these goodies. So, starting with the other day, I went to Ulta and I grabbed just a few things. First, I picked up just this Garnier micellar water. It's the all-in-one waterproof one, the blue one. I just picked up a small bottle of this because I haven't tried this before. I just never bought it, but I'm intrigued. I saw it, I grabbed it. It was like $3. And then I got a LA Girl Black Gel Liner just because I needed another one. And these were actually buy 2, get 1 free. So my mama, she bought 2 of them and she just gave me one. Then I found some e.l.f. foundation and an e.l.f. concealer. I might do like if I go back to Ulta and I find like a couple more like face products, maybe I'll do like an all drugstore makeup look, because one of my good friends, Jamie, I call her James. Hey girl, because I know you're gonna see this. So I always, like if I ask the question, what should I film, or help me out with different ideas, she'll say different things. And I remember her saying that I should do like a drugstore full face video. So I got these 2 products. So that video will be coming soon, James. And then I also got from e.l.f. this black gel liner. Black liquid liner. And this was $3. The foundation and concealer was both $6. So y'all, don't sleep on e.l.f. We're gonna see how that do. But I did use this today, and I used the LA Girl. And I like the liner, I like the cream liner, the gel liner on the bottom. That's a really good one. And I like the e.l.f. liner for the top. It's like a really wet, like smooth application. It's cute, I like it. So today was very exciting because I had some family from Alabama, and they came down, and she just, she wrote me out of the blue because I had never met her in person. We always keep up like through Facebook, and she always share my videos. She always share my pictures. We like communicate back and forth. And when she told me she was down here and could we meet up, I was too freaking excited. I'm so glad we got to meet you guys. I can't wait to get back up with y'all. And by the time this video go up, we might be done got together again, but you know how it is. I was really glad that we had a good time today. So that's a message to my cousins. Thank y'all so much. We love you guys and can't wait to see you again. So I went to the Tampa International Mall today, and I went into MAC. I looked around, didn't really see nothing that I wanted right as of now. And then I went into Morphe. Y'all, I did not know that we had a Morphe in Tampa. So I went there, and this is the little bag, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all I just got home, like, I'm so excited. When I say, y'all, I'm too geek right now, and I'm going back. Don't think I ain't. So I picked up 4 products. Now, when I first went in there, I was just like a kid in a candy store. I kid you not. Like, I was gonna try out the brow pomades because I saw some of them at Ulta, because Ulta also have Morphe in the store. But a friend of mine told me that they had a freestanding Morphe in the International Mall, so I just wanted to go check that one out. And I figured that things might be a little bit cheaper in store than versus Ulta, because I know sometimes when I go to Ulta to get like my Juvia's Place products, they don't have the sales that Juvia's Place have on the website, which is kind of self-explanatory. So I just wanted to go and see if things were, a little cheaper in the store versus in Ulta. So everything was 30% off in there. They were running a sale. So I was gonna pick up the brow products that I saw in Ulta the other day that I put back, because I wanted to, like I said, save those purchases for the Morphe store. So anyway, I'm looking around, then I noticed they had I saw these neon like shadows, and like the loose pigment shadows. So I'm like, I didn't know Morphe had none of this, and I didn't see this in Ulta. So then I looked, and it was the Suva Beauty what do you call it, water activated eyeliners, and which I am looking for some neon liners. So anyway, when I went over there and I realized that it was Suva Beauty, and I'm like, I asked the lady, I said, well, who all do you carry? So she told me they have Jaclyn Hill full brand there. Wasn't really interested in that. They had Suva Beauty. She named some more people, and girl, when she said they had P. Louise eye base, y'all, why ain't nobody tell me? Why ain't nobody tell me? Do you know how long I've been like just hoping that I could find P. Louise in store, like in the States, but in store? I was so excited. So they don't have like a full range of P. Louise, but they had the color eye bases, and mind you, everything was 30% off except for like a couple things in the store. They had the colored eye bases, they had the regular eye bases, and they had another one. So I currently have like 3 of the eye bases. I have number 1, number 3, and number 5. And number 5 is not dark at all, but I'm like, for my eye base, I normally use between like 1 and 3. And like when I do my mama makeup, I'll use number 5. But anyway, I'm almost out of number 1. So I picked up, cause y'all, I saw B. Marie using this, and listen, if B. Marie has something, I just feel like I need it. I feel like y'all pressuring me, and you see I can't stay out the people's store, and I feel like y'all doing it on purpose. Now, B. Marie had this blank canvas base, and she was talking about it, and I felt like she was just telling me, girl, you need to get up out your house and go find that. Let me stop. So this is what the blank canvas looked like. And like I said, this one is supposed to be thicker than the normal ones. I don't know if y'all can see that, like how it looking now. And I'm just gonna kind of put the tiniest bit on my hand. Yeah, that's thick. And she said it's like more full coverage too. So I'm excited to use that one and see like how my makeup come out when I use that. And then I also picked up one of the color eye bases. I got the blue one. This is how the box look, y'all. When I tell you I'm going back tomorrow, like, no, all jokes aside, finally got one of the color eye bases. They don't have like everything, but they had enough, y'all. And I do want to try out the Suva Beauty liners. Now, when I poured this just now, it was a little bit watery on the top. Hopefully that's nothing to be too concerned about. See that? Okay. Oh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Y'all, I feel like I done made it, y'all. Oh my goodness. Whoo, girl. Kiki Adams. Girl. You and B. Marie, y'all done taught me something, girl. Yes, like, I can't wait to do my makeup again. I did not use that today. I wore my makeup like this to the mall, and I picked these items up. Now, I'm gonna check if any other malls near me carry Morphe, because maybe they'll have different products over there. So also I did grab a lipstick, and I bought the Mega Matte lipstick in First Base. Oh, look at the little case. That's real cute. Oh, look, y'all. That is pretty. Hold on. Look at the little M. I don't even want to swatch it. I think that's gonna be pretty. That's how that one look. Y'all know how I feel about nudes. And lastly, I just picked up one of these continuous setting sprays, and I just want to try that out because I need to do better with setting my face. But today I did set my face down with the Midnight setting spray that I've been using, and it held my little makeup, y'all. It did. I probably done had this makeup on at least 5 hours. Let me see. I did my makeup. It was about 10 o'clock, and it is 7:50 right now. So, yep. It held up really nice. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Those were my few little products that I bought. And like I said, I'm gonna go back and try to get my hands on a few more of those eye bases. The lady told me that the blue sells out all the time. So I did want to grab this one while I saw it. They don't sell the eye bases like they do on P. Louise in a set, but being that they was 30% off, I did want to grab like a few different ones. So tomorrow I'm gonna just go back and grab some other colors while they still have that sale going. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you like this makeup look. Like I said, leave me some comments below if you want me to do another look similar to this, because I did not film this makeup look. And I'll be with you guys in another video real soon. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.